Press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button. Press on to subscribe. Now, press that bell. That school bell. Press on to get our notification.
afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. Now, I have to talk right now because we are getting to our photopea tutorial. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe, please. Okay guys, let's move to today's work. Let me just throw out of my here's the logo we just done right now. So now let's go to our Chrome and type photopea.com. So it's already loaded on my page, so I just have to reload it because of our new members. So now open, you press file and press open. After that, you go to your download. Just go to find go to your folder to find where you keep your PSD file. Okay, so now let's select a new mockup today. Let's select a new mockup. So let's select a new mockup today. Okay, I'm using this one today. So now it's loading. The mockup is now loading. Please wait. You have no idea of this mockup. We just have to wait. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, here is our mockup. What we have to do now, just to go to your layer, smart objects, then open button is not displayed. So what we have to do now, just to go back here and press this layer here. Press this layer. So you have to press logo here. You press this side. When you press this side, the smart object will be open. You get it? So press logo here, then cancel it back. Now go back to your layer, smart object. Can you see? The open button is now displayed. Open. And mind you, don't forget that our color we use is not matched with what is on the logo mockup. So you have to go back there and reselect it. You know one thing, for us not to do any mistake, let's screenshot this and use color picker to pick the color out. So now go back to your Pixellab and import what we just screenshot and make sure you crop it out for you to get the selection of the color very well. So I'm sorry. So now let's move on. So sorry guys. Okay, now let me unmatch this. Sorry, I'm sorry. We just done with this, so I have to. Okay, it's now okay. Now let me input this back. I've already merged it. Remember that I merged it before we get out of here. So now let's crop this out. So okay, it's okay like this. If you like, enlarge it. If you like, leave it like that. So just firstly select on this one and pick color. So when you get to this color, you press this plus sign here. So you press the plus sign. So you press this something like leader. You see color picker. Then you click on it. So you click on what you just screenshot recently. So now you press the zoom icon here. So you zoom it out for you to see what you want, the color you want to pick. So can you see? Then you click it back again. So for you to leave it, you click it back. So then you press mark, which is done. So you have actually picked the color you want. Now about this, you also come here and press color. You press the plus sign, the feeder icon. So now you click on the what you just screenshot recently, then you zoom it out for you to see it well. So now click on the zoom back for you to select your color. So here is the color you want to select. So now okay. So what next now is the last word. So color again, plus sign, then the video icon. So now go to here and zoom it out for you to select the color blue. So now click on the zoom icon back and select the color. Sorry, I think the color is more blue. Okay, then mark it. So now you can now delete this one. Delete. Then you can just adjust the color a little bit. You can adjust the color a little bit. So sorry, it's too much. Just a little bit. Okay, now you can adjust this one also a little bit. And about this one also, you can adjust the color. You screenshot it, not the color plate, so you can just adjust it. It's too much. Coming to white. So now you can transparent your color right now. Sorry, transparent. So then save your work, export image. The color, green color, if you use it under mockup, I don't think the color will show up well. So now we have to go back now, press file, open and replace. So now go to your download, then go to your Pixellab and select the work just done recently. So now select it. So I think you are getting it. So the mockup, the logo is already applied. So now what you have to do now, just to go to your layer. So here you don't need to delete the icon. I think you get it. Just hide it. Now you see, you don't need to delete the icon. Just hide it. You press the eye icon here. So that's just it. So after you done that, just press file and smart objects. Save smart objects. So it's loading. You have to wait. It will be done in short time. Then press here. So when you press here, you know it automatically load. You can't see where it's loading, but we all know that this thing is loading. So you have to wait. It's now loading. So when you see, here is our mockup. Now go to your file, then export as PNG. So for us to review the logo we just done, save it, then download. After that, open it. Then can you see the mockup? Very sharp and clean, to no more shadow and someone clean. So that's how it goes. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Okay guys, meet next tutorial with another hot cake. Goodbye for now.